कि राजवंश सर अंग्रेजी कैसे बोल सकें? बेटा आई नो अ वेरी गुड इंग्लिश while speaking, ठीक है? While writing I sometimes commit spelling errors, but while speaking I am very much fluent, you know. Yeah. So today we are going to discuss all the homework questions which I gave you in the last lecture, ठीक है? So I'm going to start a poll right now, and the time limit I'm setting is 60 seconds. So those students who have attempted the question and they think they have done it correctly, they can answer me in the poll so that I can understand how many students have understood the concept properly. Okay? Yeah. So you might be getting the poll right now on your screen. Just click the button. Yeah, click the option which you think is the correct answer. Okay? Yes. Okay, so most of the students think that A option is the correct one, with 68% of the Indian population right now. Those who are studying class 11th think that 67% think that the A option is the correct one. When I'll ask you what's the reason behind this, very less number of students might understand the real concept behind this. So the question is asking resultant of which of the following may be equal to 0. So you have to understand, right, that maybe they are asking. Some students were commenting on the doubt section that since we don't know the angle, we cannot add them. So this is what the problem is asking you to solve, basically. They are giving you the options and they are saying that you may add it at whatever angle you want, but the answer should be coming out to be 0. In which option this might be possible, right? Yeah. So basically what we have studied in the polygon law, as you can see here, we have more than 2 vectors. And since we have more than 2 vectors, we are definitely going to use polygon law of a vector addition, right? Right? Yeah. We are going to use polygon law of vector addition, and you might be knowing if we have to add 2 or more than 2 vectors simultaneously at a point, then we can use our polygon law of vectors, in which we have to arrange all the vectors in an order on the adjacent sides of the polygon. Then the resultant of all these vectors is shown by a single side in opposite order from initial to the final point. Once you do it, you'll get the resultant of these vectors. The nation wants to know what's the answer. So I'm asking you a simple thing. Here I'm asking you a simple thing, and if you know the answer, you can comment it in the chat box and let me know. Can you tell me what's the condition, since we have 3 vectors here? Since we have 3 vectors here, can you tell me what's the condition that 3 sides of the triangle hold to complete a triangle? Most of you might not understand my English, but still, those who are understanding, can you tell me, if I want to make a triangle, what is the condition for the 3 sides to follow to make a triangle? Yeah? Refund. अरे सारी भैया पैसा मत मांगिए वापस, ठीक है? हाँ, हम आ रहे हैं हिंदी, हाँ ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है. हम इनडायरेक्टली आपको बता रहे थे, इंग्लिश वाला में भी हम पढ़ा सकते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन हम छुपे रहते हैं. जैसी टीम वाले बोलते हैं राजवंश सर इंग्लिश में पढ़ाओगे, अचानक हम भोजपुरी में बोलने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. सर हमका कहाँ इंग्लिश आता है, हम तो किसी तरीके से टिपा के पास हुए हैं सर. हाँ, चलिए ध्यान से पढ़ते हैं भाई. देखो इन्होंने